Hey there, everyone. This is Sarah checking in to explore some video editing resources that are built into our Windows 10 platform. To start, I'm going to go over to the search bar and I'm going to look for Video Editor. And I'm just going to click into that app. It's going to take us to our project dashboard where it lets us click into projects we've already started or start a brand new one. So I'm going to click on Start New Project and it'll ask you to name it. So I'll just name it Sample. And we have three main components that we're looking at. Up in the top left is our project library, where all of our uploaded media is going to sit before we add it to our storyboard, which is what we find at the bottom. Our storyboard, we read from left to right. That shows us what happens at the beginning and then throughout the rest of our video. And then we can preview it up here in the preview screen. If you press play, you'll be able to see what happens on your storyboard from beginning to end before you finish your video. Before I start my sample project, I want to have all of my media ready to go in my project library. So anything I know I'm going to want to use in this video project, I'm going to try and upload it right now. So I know I have a video read aloud that I want to include, so I'm going to find it on my computer. Right now it's in my downloads folder, so I'll click into that and open. I also have a picture of the 13 colonies that I want to use. So again, I'm going to go to add from this PC and I'm going to find that picture to include in here. So now I have my media waiting for me in the project library, all to bring down into my storyboard in the order that I want it. I know I want to start my video with a title, so instead of dragging one of those down yet, I'm going to click Add Title Card, and this will give me a title option. To edit what it says, I need to come over to the text button, and it will give me a text box that says title, and I'm going to replace that with 13 colonies. There are a few different formats that you can click through and decide which one fits best for what you want. I'm going to keep it simple. Down here, we've got some different layouts. Again, I'm just going to keep it on the default and click done. And so now I've got 3 seconds of title slide. I know after that, I want to flash to this photo of the 13 colonies. So I'm going to click it and drag it down into my storyboard. And then right after that 13 colonies picture, I want my video clip to be down here in the storyboard. And that's how I want to finish my video. So down here, I've got a few different editing tools that I can use for my video. I can trim it, I can split the clip, I can do a text overlay, add 3D effects, show some filters to change the coloration or the saturation of my video clip. Speed, I can slow it down or speed it up. So I'm going to trim my clip. I know that there's a little bit at the beginning that I'd like to cut out and a little bit at the end that I'd like to cut out. I just want to make that clip a little bit shorter. And then when I'm done, when I've played it and reviewed it to make sure that that clip is trimmed the way that I want it, I'm just going to go and click done. And so now I could watch through from the beginning to the end of my video to see if this is exactly how I want it. And when I'm done, I'm going to go up here to finish video. When I click finish video, it will tell me what quality I can export it in. When I'm confident that that's what I want, I click export and it'll prompt you to choose a place to save your video. I would like it saved on my desktop, so I'm going to click that option and I'm going to call it sample. You can choose the file type. It's going to default to video file, and then I'm going to click export. When it is all done, it is going to pull up your video for you so that you can watch it back, and you can search for it in whatever place that you chose to save it. If you have any questions about the video editor, you can feel free to reach out to me. That is about all I have on this application on Windows 10. So with that, I will see you in the next one.